Hello, my name is Mara Alexandra and her name is
Geshe Bianca.
and today we are going to present our project Empowering Rural Youth, Bridging the Education Gap in Romania. We are from class 10J at ICHP Colentina. The aim of this project is to address educational disparities faced by youth in rural areas of Romania. By identifying barriers to education and proposing actionable solutions, this project seeks to empower rural youth and provide them with better access to educational resources and opportunities.
Key focus areas: understanding the challenges, community engagement, developing solutions, raising awareness, and evaluation and impact assessment. Understanding the challenges. Investigate the current state of education in rural Romania, including dropout rates, access to resources, and the quality of education.
Identify the specific challenges faced by rural youth, such as lack of transportation, limited access to technology, and fewer extracurricular opportunities. Community engagement. Conduct surveys or interviews with students, teachers, and parents in rural areas to gather first-hand insights about their experiences and needs.
Collaborate with local schools, community organizations, and educational institutions to understand the existing support system and identify the gaps. Developing solutions. Propose initiatives that can help bridge the education gap. Possible solutions may include after-school programs, establish tutoring and mentoring programs that provide academic support and life skill training.
Technology access. Implement programs that provide laptops, internet access, and digital literacy training to students in rural areas.
Community workshops. Organize workshops that involve parents and community members in supporting their children's education.
Scholarship opportunities. Work with local businesses and organizations to create scholarships for rural students pursuing higher education. Raising awareness. Create materials, posters, presentations, videos to raise awareness about the education gap in rural Romania and the importance of investing in youth.
Utilize social media and community events to promote the project and engagement stakeholders. Evaluation and impact assessments. Develop metrics to evaluate the efficiency of the proposed solutions. This could include tracking students' enrollment rates, academic performance, and community participation.
Gather feedback from participants to assess the impact of the initiatives and make adjustments as needed. Highlighting the problem. Sharing statistics and personal stories that illustrate the education gap in rural areas.
Presenting solutions. Detailing the proposed initiatives and their expected impact on the community.
Engaging the audience. Encouraging questions and discussions about how individuals and organizations can contribute to addressing these challenges.
In conclusion, by empowering rural youth and bridging the education gap, this project aims to create a brighter future for students in Romania, ensuring that they have the same opportunities as the urban counterparts.
Copiii trebuie crescuți pentru ei, nu pentru părinți. Nicolae Iorga.
Thank you for listening to us.
Think about others.